Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make nacho cheese sauce using cheese powder. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick snack or a party appetizer. You'll need just a few basic ingredients like cheese powder, milk, and butter, along with a small saucepan and a whisk. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes, making it a super convenient option for delicious, homemade nacho cheese. Let's get started on creating that creamy, dreamy sauce. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Start by adding about 1/4 cup of milk to your saucepan with the cheese powder. Whisk these together thoroughly until you have a smooth paste, ensuring there are no lumps. This initial step is crucial for a creamy final product. Then, slowly pour in the remaining 3/4 cup of milk while continuing to whisk over low heat. Keep stirring gently as the mixture begins to warm up. To enrich our sauce, it's time to add the butter. Stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter until it's fully melted and incorporated, which will give the sauce a lovely, smooth texture and a richer taste. For an extra kick, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. These seasonings really elevate the flavor profile. Remember to taste your sauce and adjust any seasonings as needed to suit your palate perfectly. Your delicious nacho cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm and generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips for the ultimate snack. This versatile sauce also makes a fantastic topping for soft pretzels, hot dogs, or even steamed vegetables. If you have any leftover sauce, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave when you're ready for more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.